on the way out, by the way. The €1 bottle. You're alright, I mean, you look all like you're fucking older than me, about to have a heart attack. Come on, wake the fuck up, my friends. You know? Got at least another half an hour of this shit. I know what we'll do, we'll slow things down for you, you know. None of us are getting any younger, are we? So, you know, except for Bill. It's another fucking story. You know the story, Portrait of Dorian Gray? Not Lee Dorian, Dorian Gray. Noel Coward, yeah? In his attic, he's got a very, very rotten-looking picture, that's all I can say. We're going to slow things down now and, like, you know, we'll take it a bit easy this next track, okay? But give you a chance to catch your breath. What happened to the computer? Oh, turn it up again. Let the crowd. Oh, thank you. This is what I really sound like. Do you know that wilding about the click track? It sounds fucking awful. Put it back on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is called live music. And believe me and Bill are more drunk than you lot put together.